There's nothing more special than sitting around the Thanksgiving table and breaking bread with the ones you love. I have 5 siblings, and with me being sibling number 6, every other year we host Thanksgiving at one of our homes. And this year I have the pleasure of welcoming everyone into my home. So today I would like to share my dining room, which I have prepared for Thanksgiving. So let's get started. I purchased these beautiful silverware caddies at a craft show in my area. I absolutely love them, and I think they make an amazing statement on the table. This is the dining room buffet that I just adorned with a variety of pumpkins and of course my beautiful owl that comes out every year. I'm expecting a total of 12, and no one in my family stays in hotels during Thanksgiving. We love to wake up to each other and be together. Although it can be a lot of work with the preparations, I know that I only have to do it around every 5 years. Along with a great meal comes great conversation with our favorite bottle of wine. I had so much fun decorating this sideboard and making it so festive for the season. I love the lamp that I purchased from the thrift store, and my favorite has to be the gold bowl. On the opposite side of the dining room is the second sideboard that I had so much fun with. I purchased this from Andad for $49, and the mirror above I've had for about 10 years. Don't worry, we did not forget about the kids. They always sit together, they love to catch up, and they probably have more fun than we do. This is the kitchen eating area, and I will link this video down below. Okay friends, well that concludes this video of my Thanksgiving dining room. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that everyone has an amazing holiday. I will be posting my guest bedroom soon. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you so much, and I would love for you to become part of the therapeutic family. And for my other subscribers, you know how I feel about you. All right guys, I will see you in the next video, and have an amazing day.